Some cars won't just drain your wallet, they'll break your spirit. From constant breakdowns to repair bills that feel like ransom notes, these 11 brands are infamous for crushing expectations. Stick around as we reveal the jaw-dropping reasons behind their bad reputations. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now back to the video. Number 1, the Fiat problem. Fiat's catchy design and enticing price tag make it hard to resist. For many buyers, it feels like a steal. Quirky styling, compact practicality, and a price point that seems more than reasonable. It's no wonder first-time car buyers and city dwellers often find themselves drawn to it. But what feels like an affordable, fun choice can quickly become a nightmare. Beneath its charm lies a troubling reality. Fiat owners frequently report issues like faulty power steering systems and subpar build quality that lead to more time at the mechanic than on the road. Electrical glitches, including malfunctioning windows and dashboards lighting up like a Christmas tree, add to the frustration. In the end, Fiat's low entry cost doesn't hold up when repair bills start piling up, a price no one wants to pay for affordability. Number 2, Land Rover. Land Rover carries a reputation for blending high-end luxury with rugged off-road capability, making it the ultimate aspirational vehicle for many. Whether it's the imposing Range Rover or the versatile Defender, these vehicles exude style, elegance, and adventure. They're designed to conquer everything from rocky terrain to upscale city streets, drawing in drivers who want both performance and prestige. But owning one isn't all smooth rides and scenic views. Land Rover consistently ranks among the least reliable car brands, plagued by frequent mechanical problems and steep maintenance bills. Many owners report issues like air suspension failures and leaky sunroofs, problems that aren't just frustrating but incredibly expensive to fix. These setbacks often overshadow the excitement of owning one, and with repair shops constantly on speed dial, it's hard not to feel buyer's remorse. Number 3, Jeep. Jeep has long been a symbol of adventure. From scaling rugged trails to cruising through deserts, it carries an iconic image of durability and off-road prowess. For buyers, it feels like a ticket to exploration, freedom, and a rugged lifestyle. But the truth beneath the branding paints a different picture. Jeep has gained a reputation for poor reliability, especially when it comes to its transmissions and electronics. The Jeep Cherokee, in particular, has faced countless complaints over its problematic 9-speed automatic transmission, which is infamous for jerky gear shifts and outright failure. Electronics, too, are a recurring headache, with issues like touchscreens freezing up or electrical systems malfunctioning altogether. It's a classic case of image versus reality. Up next, let's focus on a brand that combines flashy muscle with surprising letdowns. Number 4, Chrysler. Chrysler draws people in with sleek designs and the kind of mid-range luxury that feels just within reach. Models like the 300 command attention with bold styling, making it seem like a premium option at a reasonable price. It's easy to see the appeal. These cars radiate a certain class that attracts drivers looking for style without the steep costs of high-end brands. But looks can be deceiving. Chrysler vehicles are notorious for rapid depreciation, losing value far faster than competitors. Transmission issues are another common gripe, particularly with the 200 and Pacifica models, leaving owners dealing with inconsistent shifting or complete transmission failure. What starts as a stylish investment quickly becomes a buyer's regret. Next up, big trouble in a tiny package. Number 5, Mini. Mini's playful design and go-kart-like handling make it a standout on the road. Its compact size and quirky personality appeal to drivers looking for something unique. And for many, the fun driving experience is enough to seal the deal. But behind the charm lies a string of issues that can quickly overshadow the excitement. Reliability has been a long-standing problem for Mini. Engine failures are a common complaint, with timing chain issues often leading to costly repairs. Electrical problems are another headache, from malfunctioning sensors to entire systems needing expensive replacements. While Mini delivers on its promise of fun, constant trips to the repair shop can erode that enjoyment. Number 6, Jaguar. Jaguar is synonymous with sophistication. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, it's a car that speaks to those who want elegance wrapped in speed. But here's the catch. Owning one often comes with more stress than style. Jaguar owners frequently report issues with electrical systems, from unresponsive touchscreens to malfunctioning sensors that trigger erroneous warnings. On top of that, the brand struggles with reliability in its engines and transmissions, with some models facing sudden stalls or failure to start altogether. While Jaguars may look and feel luxurious, the unexpected expenses and constant problems can leave owners feeling drained. Number 7, Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi was once celebrated for offering dependable, affordably priced cars that catered to hard-working buyers. Models like the Outlander and the Lancer became symbols of reliability in the 1990s and early 2000s, making Mitsubishi a brand you could trust without breaking the bank. However, that reputation hasn't aged well. Recent years have exposed troubling issues with Mitsubishi's quality. Engine problems, including frequent overheating and stalling, have frustrated owners across multiple models. Transmission failures are another sore point, with reports of CVT systems breaking down well before expected lifespans. These recurring faults have pushed Mitsubishi far down on reliability rankings, with critics pointing to the company's cost-cutting measures as a possible cause. Once known for affordability and reliability, Mitsubishi's current struggles have left many questioning the brand entirely. Number 8. Tesla's early models. Tesla burst onto the scene as the face of automotive innovation, promising not just cars, but a revolution. Early models like the Model S captivated buyers with their cutting-edge technology, sleek aesthetics, and the idea of a sustainable future. Owning a Tesla wasn't just about driving, it was about being part of something bigger. But for those who purchased the early models, the reality didn't always match the vision. Reports of misaligned doors and panels quickly dented the impression of premium quality. Some owners experienced battery malfunctions with sudden drop-offs in range, and the repair costs often exceeded expectations. Then there was the unreliable software, with some vehicles locking drivers out entirely or rebooting mid-drive. While Tesla's vision was groundbreaking, early adopters often discovered that revolutionary doesn't always mean reliable. Number 9. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo is a brand that turns heads. Known for its Italian styling and bold performance, it's hard not to be captivated by models like the Giulia or Stelvio. For many, owning an Alfa Romeo feels like owning a piece of automotive art, until the reality of constant issues sets in. Reliability has haunted Alfa Romeo for years, with frequent breakdowns and a myriad of mechanical problems. Owners often report issues with the turbocharged engines, including poor performance and costly repairs. According to automotive surveys, Alfa Romeo ranks poorly for dependability, leaving many drivers overwhelmed by maintenance bills and downtime. Despite its undeniable beauty, Alfa Romeo's unpredictable reliability tarnishes what could be a dream experience. Number 10. Renault. Renault has long been a trusted brand in Europe, where its compact cars and efficient engines thrive in a market shaped by urban driving and emissions regulations. Models like the Clio and Captur seem perfectly suited for European tastes, maintaining strong sales year after year. However, the brand's success takes a sharp downturn in non-European markets. One of Renault's biggest challenges abroad is inconsistency in build quality. Cars designed for European roads often struggle in harsher conditions found in places like Asia or Latin America. Unreliable electronics are also a common complaint, with features like infotainment systems and sensor-based technologies frequently malfunctioning. Now let's shift gears to our final brand. Number 11. Suzuki Cars. Suzuki has earned its place as a powerhouse in the motorcycle world, producing bikes that are famous for reliability, performance, and value. However, when it comes to its car division, the story shifts dramatically. Suzuki Cars often fail to deliver the same level of innovation and craftsmanship, leaving many buyers underwhelmed. One major issue is safety. Suzuki vehicles frequently score poorly in crash tests, with some models missing essential modern safety features. On top of that, the interior materials feel cheap, with thin plastics and outdated designs that lag behind competitors at similar price points. The reliability of its motorcycles is legendary, but its car lineup struggles to meet even average standards. Buying a car means more than picking a design you love or a brand you recognize. It's about understanding what you're signing up for long term. The 11 brands we've covered today highlight just how important research can be. Hidden repair costs, unreliable components, and declining quality lurk behind many big names, leaving buyers frustrated and financially strained. Have you ever owned one of these cars? Or maybe you've had great luck with a brand others warned to avoid. Share your story in the comments.